Hey, how you guys going? Just Jeff, JJ here. What's going on? So I'm gonna bust a roll here. Now I was gonna bust this roll on a live hangout, even though I ain't got no viewers, but I don't care. But I went to try and go do my live, and because I haven't done a live on my JJ channel, my Moneymaker channel yet, I gotta wait 24 hours to do a live. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'll wait the 24 hours. I'll see if I can. See if I can get my broadcaster up and going on this channel. And surely I can. I mean, one way or the other, I will have my broadcaster on this channel. But you know how it is. Your first live, you gotta wait 24 hours after you push the go live button. And I was just not smart enough to push the dang go live button. Oh well, we've got time, right? We've got time because we're retired. We retired our car. It's got new tires on it. And we are rolling. We're going to roll this. We're going to bust this roll. But as usual, I got to roll a cigarette first. So I got my bugler papers here. And I got my tobacco here. And I'm going to roll me a cigarette while I say something a little bit about promoting my giveaway that I guess is going to have to be on my first live. Will I have any viewers? Hell no, you ain't got no viewers. So what are you going to give away, JJ? Well, we're going to do two things on my first live. We're going to give away a 35% silver JFK. It's going to be pretty simple, you know. Basically, we'll just kind of do a drawing. We'll do a live drawing, and we'll pick a name out, and whoever it is, you just email me your address, your post office box, your wherever you want me to. You can send. I'll send it to your grandma's house or to your next door neighbor's post office box. I'll send this coin wherever you want me to. And I'll include a self-addressed envelope with the coin so you can write me a little letter telling me what a stupid jerk I am. And then I'll read your letter out live on a video, probably. I don't know. Might go live, probably be a video. So I wanted to bust this coin roll. Oh, here's the coin. This is 35. It's pretty shiny, but we're gonna clean it. You're going to get a clean coin with it. So I'm going to clean this coin, and I'm going to mail it to somebody. No strings attached. Well, there is one string attached. You're going to have to put you're going to have to leave me a comment. Any comment. I mean, I hope you come. My channel is a free speech. You come in my comments and promote your channel, that's fine with me. It's free speech. You say whatever you want. You come on here, you chew my ass up and down. I don't care. But you're going to have to leave a comment. Otherwise, I'm not going to know who's in the contest and who's not. Now, you may be asking, Jeff, do I have to subscribe to your stupid channel? No. I'll give this away to anybody who leaves a comment. Jeff, can I go tell all my friends that you're going to have a contest and you don't even have to subscribe? All you got to do is leave a comment. Yes, you can do that. No problem. I don't care if you subscribe to my channel. I don't blame you for not subscribing to my channel. All right, so let's get down to business. So what I have here, oh, and at the same time, we're going to be putting this beautiful, unclean, 35% silver JFK in a capsule. So that none of this dirt and crud and crap in here will ever be removed from this coin. Well, I can't guarantee that, but anyway, we're going to encapsulate that dirty coin to protect that coin from people like me who just want to clean it up and make it look nice. And we're going to save it for you guys out there that just like it to be dirty and look like crap. And I might even give it away too, with the plastic holder. Because if there's one thing I like giving shit away, man. I like giving poop away. Well, I just like giving stuff away, that's all. As you can see, I already sent 1 penny to Tiny, and I sent Carpo a penny. I sent Carpo a tenth ounce silver round. I sent Carpo a 1964, beautiful 1964 JFK. But I'm not talking to Carpo, because that dummy has not come over to this channel and told me thank you for the Indian head. Now he did come on one of my lives on my Tobacco Road channel after my battery had ran out and I was no longer live and the buffer was running, and I was like between the ice skating rink and my house. Well, it's between my house and between the ice skating rink and my daughter's house. And he left a message, thank you for the Indian head. And I'm just pretending like I didn't even see that message. Because, man, got no respect, man. Somebody sends you a coin, you should head right over to their comments or their Gmail or something and say, hey, man, I got the coin. Thank you. You know, with me, you really need to do that, because I just put two stamps on it. I ain't got no tracking stuff. I don't do none of that weird stuff. I'm an old man. My stuff is all old-fashioned. So that's it. This is a beautiful, and if I find one of my 35s that's even more beautiful than this one is, then we'll clean it. 35% silver. We'll clean it and we'll use it for the giveaway. And then, of course, if somebody wants, you know, this dirty, look at this spot on here, man. I mean, if somebody wants this dirty 35% JFK in a capsule, I'll give it away too. Now, wait a minute. Which one am I doing? Am I doing that one or this one? I don't know. I kind of like this JFK. What do you think? It's really dirty. Maybe I'll put it in the capsule. It's so dirty I don't even know what year it is, but I'll bet it's a 35% too. I don't know if I want to make that bet. I was thinking about using this one for the mailing, but look at that. It's not shiny enough. Okay? So it's dirty, and we can't clean no dirty coins. You know we can't be cleaning no dirty coins, don't you? All right, well, let me get my cigarette lit, and I'll tell you what I got here. So, here, let me put on my glasses so I can read. The reason I'm going to open this is because I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? I don't know what it is, but I'll read it to you. It says $25. Rifkin, Rifkin Products Company, to order 800 5 or 800 45. What the hell does that say? 458-7300 in Pennsylvania. 1-800-358-7300. So we're gonna bust a roll because it's. Look at this, man. Oh, can you guys even see what I'm doing? Look at this roll. Is that, you ever seen such a sloppy roll as that? Who sends out something like that? So I'm not even sure how to open it. I might just want to save this, fill it back up again, and do another video. No, I did not fill this up. I don't know. I swear, I don't know what is in it. But I think I am going to save the roll because I may want to put whatever's in it. I know they're dollars. And they're probably Susan B. Anthony's or Sacagaweas or whatever. I don't know. So we'll probably just put them back in there. So what are the coins? Mystery roll. Oh, don't you. That's a Sacagawea. It's a 2000 D. No, P. It's got some spots on it, but you know. Okay, let's see if I can make sure on that. Yeah, that's a Sacagawea 2000P. This one is a 1979 Susan B. Anthony. This one is a 79 Susan B. Anthony. And this is a 2000 Sacagawea Saka 2000. Another 2000. Another 2000. They're all 2000 P's. Here's one with a mark on it. Can't read it. It's a 2000 D. $2,000P. These are all Sacagaweas. 2000P. This is not a Sacagawea. This is Susan B. Anthony. 1979. Susan B. Anthony. 2000P. Here is a 2000P. Here is a 2000P. I should have turned it the other way. Then I wouldn't have to flip these over. Here's a 2001 P. Here is, oh, nice toning. 2001 D. Denver. Here is a 2000P. Here is a 2000P. Oh, wow. Look at the gorgeous toning on this one. Beautiful toning. Wow, this is gorgeous. It's a 2000D. Yep. Man, that is one gorgeous coin. Here is a 2000P. 2000p. We might just have to use all of these for giveaways. Here's a 1979 Susan B. Anthony. Another 79 Susan B. Anthony. Here's a 1980 Susan. You know, I should be telling you where these are from. Man, but that little mark is... I'm about to have to use the other lens. What does FG mean? Huh. Oh, here's a mark over here. It's at Denver. I wonder what the other one was. Denver. Denver. Susan B. Anthony. 79 Denver. And last but not least, with the bronze damage, 2000 Philadelphia. 2000 Philadelphia. So there it is. Coin roll. Dollars, 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 dollars. Giveaway dollars. Giving away some dollars. Probably. I don't know. I'm going to have to look some of this up and see. Make sure these are not valuable or anything. And of course, I know you guys, first of all, are going to want the dirty ones. So we'll probably take the dirty ones and put them in a capsule for you and take all the clean ones because we know you don't like the clean ones. And we'll just put them in a piece of cardboard and stick them in an envelope with a return address stamped envelope so you can write me a letter back saying, you know what, JJ Rowe, I think you're a jerk.